Alright guys, so this is gonna be a mini decorations Christmas haul. Yeah. If you want to see the shopping vlog that I did, please watch my previous video that will be linked down below. Please go watch it. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the things that are not really Christmassy. So I got this shoes and I already had it in pink, so I bought the black one to it, and it says "This is me." I picked up a shower curtain, and I bought a green and red looking thing. So this is how it looks basically. Last non-Christmas thing I bought, well, it's kind of Christmassy because I bought it for my room, but it's, yeah, this mat, and it's a small red mat to put right beside my bed, and it's so soft and fluffy. Yes, so this is for my room. Alright, so now I bought these antlers, and they're so cute. I love them. Like, I just thought they were really cute, so I bought one. Alright, now to the decorations. I will start off with these things for my tree and stuff like that. So I bought decorations for house and for church because we'll be having a cantata. Yes, so if you're in Croftsdale, please visit us on December 23rd, Sunday at 5. We'll be having cantata. Alright guys, so I bought a gold, a red and silver, pink and blue. I wanted a silver one, but a lady took up the last one right as I was there, so I was gonna jump her for it, but it was not worth it. Anyways, I bought, then the rest of these things are, oh, I got this star for my tree topper. It's pretty cute and very cute. It's so cute. Yeah, I don't want to open this because I don't want it to be damaged. Anyways, so the rest of the things that I got were ornaments. Yes, ornaments. So the first pack is this silver ornaments, and there's 2 in there, and I thought they were really cute and they were very cheap. I get them at Chinese store. Yeah, cheap though. I paid $200 for each packet. So paid for this, and I also paid $200 for this, which in American would be about $2 or somewhere there. So yeah, these are some little stars, and these are like, I have no idea what this is, I swear. I don't know. I just know it's Christmassy. And the glitter is getting all over me! Now, this bell, I got this bell thing, 80 or 230. I can't find where to open it, so this is the bell. Alright, so the rest of them are the normal packets of ornaments that you know. I got this pack of white, blue and pink. So, and one of the blue one says "Let It Go." They're pretty cute to me. Then I got this one, and it's black, red and black, and then it has white. And this is the one that caught my eye, the one in the middle. Yeah, that one caught my eye, so I got that one. And then I sized up a little, and I got, they're rolling off. It's 2. This one has green, it has this cute one, and to tell the truth, most of these things these are the ones that caught my eye. Like, are you kidding me? Like, look at this thing. It's so cute. Anyways, so this one was $230. I think this one was $200. This one, which was also $230. Then I have 3 more, guys. So I bought this one, and I think this one was $500. This is how it looks. So this is the size of it. And then I bought these 2 packets. One is blue, white, and silver, and the other one is clear green and red. And just to show you guys the size difference, oh, and this was also $500, but this one came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and the other one came with 6, but there is a difference in size, as you guys can see. Yes, I know. My head is bigger. Thanks, Shan. She's so rude. So rude. Anyways, guys, all these things that I bought, well, everything else except for these were bought in Bashco. This was bought in a Chinese store. I have no idea what the name is. China. Anyways, yes, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this mini haul. I really enjoyed shopping for it, and again, please check out my vlog from yesterday. It was pretty fun to film, so yeah, please check that out. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys will have a fantastic day tomorrow. See you guys next time. Bye. Christmas all around, and I'm trying to play